Hi everyone, this is Oliver Lucanus, Conservation Ambassador for Fluval Aquatics. Today I want to talk about African catfish, and we'll focus on the genus called SYNODONTIS that has over 130 species. Of course, there are some other African catfish, but this is the most common group. In the hobby, we hear about South American catfish a lot because fish like Corydoras and plecos are so popular, but we almost never see or hear about catfish diversity in Africa or Asia. You have to think of SYNODONTIS and their huge diversity a little bit like South American Pimelodus catfish, but the smaller species are also not unlike Corydoras. The smallest SYNODONTIS and closely related microsynodontis reach sizes of around 5 centimeters or 2 inches, and the largest SYNODONTIS can be over 60 centimeters or 2 feet. Because they're found throughout Africa, they're in many habitats, with a wide variety of patterns and quite varied body shape. Like with many fish, the slender species live in stronger water flow in places like the Congo Rapids, while the more high-bodied species occur in slower-moving streams and backwaters. There's also a huge group that occurs in the African rift lakes of Victoria, Malawi, and especially Lake Tanganyika. In the hobby, we see SYNODONTIS imported mostly from the Niger River in Nigeria, the Congo River, and some from Lake Tanganyika. Even then, some species are extremely rare and accordingly expensive, but many SYNODONTIS catfish are reasonably priced because they are quite hardy in transport from Africa and rarely die in shipping. Sadly, breeders have managed to crossbreed several species, resulting in often deformed and less nicely patterned hybrids that are often sold under new names in the hobby, with so many actual and beautiful species that seems quite unnecessary to me. SYNODONTIS are scaleless fish and tend to be a bit sensitive to ick or white spot disease, but other than that, they are extremely hardy, ideal for community tanks with cichlids and even with the more aggressive species. The species found in Lake Tanganyika also have what is maybe the coolest breeding strategy of any fish, laying their eggs in the moment mouth-brooding cichlids are spawning and letting them pick up their eggs, that then hatch sooner, eat the cichlid eggs, and having the unsuspecting cichlid feed them. This cuckoo behavior is absolutely fascinating to watch and not that difficult to observe in the aquarium. My favorites are the commonly found upside-down catfish, SYNODONTIS nigriventris, because it stays small and it's nearly always swimming upside down, which is just so unusual. Likewise, SYNODONTIS batensoda from Nigeria will do this as well. The other favorite is this white-spotted SYNODONTIS angelicus, which does get large, but it's very beautiful. SYNODONTIS get along reasonably well in mixed groups and will fight a little bit, but not usually damage each other. I've seen some incredible tanks with many different SYNODONTIS in one aquarium. Keep in mind that their size really varies, and that the big species need considerable amounts of room and large enough caves for them to hide if they want to. Many species are active during the day, or at least they will come out during feeding time, so you get to see them on a regular basis. The more cryptic nocturnal SYNODONTIS are easier to observe with the red light. Check out the video we made to see how to create that effect. SYNODONTIS will eat nearly any food offered, but they are partial to sinking pellets like bug bites and frozen mosquito larvae. They have huge appetites and should have frequent, large volume water changes, which is also ideal for the cichlids and other fish you may keep them with. In this video, I've shown you just 10 of the 130 or so SYNODONTIS species. I think almost anyone will find a species they would like to keep. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and check out my channel on YouTube as well to get some more in-depth information about the fish I'm showing you here. Let us know which is your favorite species, or ask to suggest a species to keep with your cichlids or other African fish.